everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Bean, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to do this beautiful 5-strand braid. So to get started, we need to divide the hair into 5 sections, and I've seen some people just take their fingers and rake it through like it was nothing. But until you get that down, just divide the hair however you're able to. The most important part is you get the sections as even as possible so that the braid is even. And I'm going to freeze the frame for just a sec so you can take a look at how I'm holding the hair to start off. The most important part is on the right side. You're going to want a strand between your index and your thumb, and then a strand between your index and your middle finger so that you can flip that right section over and then under, because we're going to take that right section, we're going to make it in the middle. So we're going to flip it over the section one to the left and then underneath the other. And we're going to do the same thing on the opposite. You're going to take that left section, flip it over the section to the right of it, and then underneath the following section to the right so that it becomes the middle. Now, it's a little bit tricky to hold the hair when you're getting started. As you see, it just tends to fall a little bit loose, but it still works. You're going to just keep going through the same section. And each time you wrap a new piece, you're going to hold it the same way. You're going to have that far piece, and this we're going to do on the left. You're going to have that far piece in between your thumb and your index, and you're going to have the second from the far piece in between your index and your middle finger so that you're able to flip it over this next section and then underneath the middle section. I'm going to show you a couple more times. Remember, it's over and then under. If you look, whichever hand I am not using to braid, I'm just holding the other two sections with. They're not going to fall together because there's a piece of hair between them, but I will use that index finger to hold that extra strand. So if you look, I'm using my left hand to hold those two pieces. My right hand I'm using now to flip that outer section over and then under, grabbing with my left hand to hold it while I pull the other side tight. It's very important that you keep this braid tight as you braid. Just like all braids, they will fall loose if you don't hold them tight. But you can definitely learn to do this. And here is the finished result. Sometimes it will bunch up a little bit because you're holding the hair tight, so feel free to kind of flatten it out a little bit, kind of show off those extra sections. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment, and please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.